All right, we've got strings working inside of our formatted strings. We got the string type variable. Now let's take a look at inserting an integer, a numeric value. So I'm going to bring in age once again, 21, and I'm going to put out a message. I'm going to say print. Now I'm going to make this a little more elaborate. I'm going to say you are, now I want to say you are 21 years old. So in the past, I'd have to bring in all the plus signs and remember to cast the age as a string so we can concatenate them together. Well, here, I just say you are percent, going to put a variable in there, but this time, not an S, it's not a string type. I'm going to put a D in there. It's an integer, and they use the character D to represent an integer. So you are years old. I'll close that string, and then I'm going to tell it which variable to use. And that age is going to be inserted into that spot there. I'll hit my enter key, and there you have it. You are 21 years old. Try this out. This is super cool. It's much more efficient than having to do all that concatenating of values together and casting of values so you can concatenate them together. %S for strings, %D for integers. We're going to take a look at another one, but get a feel for this one first, then we'll jump into the next video. We're going to take a look at combining multiple variables into one string.